years, but we gonna make it, girl. So, I'm the banana.
Yo, this guy is funny, bro. Guys, we're gonna check out Grilling, episode 11 with Dizzle, the comedian. It's called The Worst Date Ever. That's crazy. So,
Sex chocolate of the year 2014. I'm a single father, and I need someone to look after my kids, to be fair. And a babysitter. I expect pussy on the first date, but I spent money, so that's the only expectation.
dude, I can tell that
Then we take it from
Cheyenne
So do you want a relationship? Is that what you're looking for? Something
not gonna actually like this guy, bro.
Guys, this is what this is about. I thought this was about getting pussy and grilled.
I can tell Cheyenne is gonna be pissed, bro. I don't know, he's a comedian, so probably joking or something, but
Hi.
Hi, you alright?
I'm good, thank you.
Wonderful.
Okay. Are you alright?
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name?
Dizzle.
Dizzle, I'm Cheyenne.
Oh, I'm
Nice
trying.
to
You
meet
alright?
you.
I will really bust in this girl's face. Do I smell nice?
I don't know.
Damn.
Don't rate this guy, the way he looks, sorry. No.
Because of this date, I got a magazine that I had from the train for about.
dude,
about a year
from
ago.
off the
Yeah.
clutch, you
And
don't
I
rate
like
how
a
you
s-
look, bro.
like a
That's crazy,
sniff
yeah.
off
But
the
I
train.
did say that she's not gonna like him from day one, right?
For you.
Scratch and sniff.
Yeah.
Well, hi. Nice to meet you. Did you have an okay journey getting here?
It was a okay journey.
Okay, so
Okay. What about you?
yeah, good. Nice
That's
to
wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, Dizzle, tell me about you. How old are you? What do you do?
No, tell me about you, because I've seen the program and I've seen like you've been ice skating, kissing a lot of frogs. So how come you haven't you ain't got none of these guys that you've been grilling?
I'm not really feeling it. Like, I know what I want. You know,
What do you want?
I want a man that's assertive, is very alpha, that
Yeah,
knows how
right.
to look after a woman, but not control a woman. Give time and love and affection, you know?
Dude,
She's out there.
it's kind of weird.
Battery.
Oh, they think
You
they
will find
want.
that, that's
Not you then.
like you've been watching a lot of love romantic movies. Like, do you like them romantic movies?
Yeah, do you
type?
think I'm living in a fairy tale?
You are, man. You need to come out of the Hollywood relationship.
He's
And
right
what?
though, man.
Okay,
She
so
sounds
the
like she's
kid
living
on
a fairy tale
board
for real,
relationship.
bro.
What's that?
Real world.
Okay, well, what's that then?
That means like a man's gonna take you out. You are beautiful,
Thank you.
but just allow me in it. Don't ask
Allow
me.
you? Why are you-
Don't ask me where I'm at. Be like, oh, how comes I didn't call you today, or you saw 2 blue ticks and no reply.
But this is what I'm saying. Communication is key, and that's
No,
that's
that's-
already a
that-
red flag, just so you know.
You've thrown up a lot of red flags to me.
Okay, what's that then?
Dating a lot of
Oh,
guys
he's chilling there,
and
bro.
not being with none of them.
But I'm not sleeping with them, so I could do what I want.
Obviously-
I can actually do what I want in my like free time. Is it alright?
Yo,
Yes, you
she
can.
don't
Like,
have to
when
get
you're
challenged,
dating,
bro. She's
like at the
getting
end of the day, for me, like,
challenged.
I'm dating with intention. So I'm not just going to go around and sleep with everyone. I want to make sure like I'm making the right choice. I don't want to just make a decision just because I like your vibe. Like it has to be right.
Yes.
So that's why I'm dating multiple people. It may seem.
I'm not saying she's a hoe, but she's hoish.
Have you?
I'm an older
I'm not
guy.
saying she's a gold digger.
Man, I'm liking it. What's your relationship like? Have you ever
I'm
touched a
not
baby
saying
mum?
she's a
No,
gold
I live
digger.
with
But he ain't messing
Live
with
with
her.
kids.
I want
Bro,
If you don't like me, come and say it to my face, bitch.
So you're still with a baby mum,
No, I'm not with the babe, man.
but you live together.
Yeah. No, I don't live together.
Wait, so do you live with your kids or not?
See, that's what I'm trying to say. You're stereotyping me.
No, I'm not. I'm asking
Because
you
you
a
think
question.
a man, because he's got his kids, it must be some social service was involved or a toxic baby mother. Why can't I just want my kids?
I didn't say social services. That came out of your
But I'm
mouth.
just saying, you was thinking it. I saw
No,
you had that social
I didn't-
service
I didn't
look
make
in your
that
eye.
assumption.
You had it in your eye. You had the
That's
social
a
service.
you problem.
You judge me. You judge
No,
me.
that's a you problem. That's your own insecurity that you're projecting onto me. So,
I don't have insecurities, baby.
okay. Tell me about you then, Dizzle.
I've just told you about me.
That you live with your kids.
Yeah.
And that's it.
And I do comedy.
Yeah.
I'm here trying to find a nice wife slash babysitter slash.
What do you mean babysitter?
oh,
Babysitter.
I know she's not gonna like that
It's
one, bro.
alarming that you would let somebody that you're only just dating like look after your kids because you want a babysitter.
Alright then, say if I hired a babysitter then, where do I know her from? I don't know, she probably got daggered before she come to my house. I must deny myself pom-pom because of them.
Yeah, that's disgusting. That you'd actually choose a woman of your kids.
Either.
Yeah, pom-pom up, yes.
I feel like you're dating for all the wrong reasons.
Nah,
What are
man,
you
this guy
dating
must
for?
be trolling,
Because
bro.
I'm dating for love.
No, but you're not, because I've seen that you had a lot of lovely guys here, and you've just been so horrible.
So you think that all those guys are really lovely?
I'm just saying, out of all them frogs, you couldn't find your Prince Charming.
No.
That's just something about you. That's,
Oh, yo, I like how he's
red
actually
flags.
calling her up, bro.
I'm
Like,
saying, like,
that's
a
true,
lot
cause
of
all of those
response to you.
dudes, man, and
Okay,
you
which
can
are?
choose one,
There's
like,
something about you
and they
that
have
you're
some.
saying.
Like what?
I don't know. I think you might have a past. I need you to be honest with me. How many men have you been with in your whole lifetime?
In my whole lifetime, couldn't tell you, to be honest.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Right, what's wrong with that?
You don't know how much men you sleep with. I like that. You know, some girls will say 5 or, you know, no, but because your number's so high, you don't even know how much. I rate that.
It's really high. I've slept with thousands of men.
Dude, I think you're
That's
trolling
the
her.
conversation you have to have with your vagina. That's not, I can't get involved in that. Just because you say vagina,
Okay,
have a beauty throughout the year, but we gonna make it, girl. So, I'm the banana.
Yo, this guy's funny, bro. Not gonna lie.
He will say, help.
so how many people have you slept
Yo,
with?
this guy's
I'm like
to the
you.
point.
What do you mean you like me?
I don't know my body count.
Yeah, but I don't know, man. As in, like, I'm not counting, but I'm not out here moving mad in that sense.
Well, that sounds mad.
No, it's because
I'm not
you know what it
counting,
is?
I'm not moving
No,
mad.
but you know what it is?
Babe,
They're so
come on,
bad. Like, my dating experience has been so bad. I just like block them out. Like, it didn't happen when it's like tragic. Sorry.
Yeah, right.
I
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
like
you're
it's
right,
hard
Shanna.
for
She's
you
not gonna tell you
to
shit,
see
bro.
girls dating guys.
It is, isn't
It
it?
is. And I put it down to the video fixins. Because we could get pum pum so quick and easy.
Can you though? Because I feel like men that say that a lot really don't get pussy.
I don't believe that.
No, do
I
you?
was last night.
That's what you didn't hear.
Didn't say I wanted to be with a person. I was just
You're one of those guys that have meaningless sex.
yeah. Sex is sex. I can, as long as I.
Yo, this is so interesting, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This
Something
dude is
goes
kind
in
of
my
funny, bro.
hand,
I know
in
that
your
he's
chest,
not
it
here
comes
to
up
win
in
anything.
your
Probably here
hair.
to just troll her or whatever, but
It was great sex to me.
How many times have I got to explain this? Do you think I look nice?
Yeah, because I would have got up from a long time.
What do you mean?
Do you know how I came to come here? I'm not gonna come sit down from no dead things.
That's rude.
But you're not dead, so it's not rude.
Yeah, but if I was,
Then I'll be gone.
what rate yourself out of 10 then? What do you think you are to be getting up and doing that?
I was a 6 the other day, but I've been going gym and I'm even funnier, so I'm about 11.
Take away 5.
Oh,
You can
wow.
stay as the 6.
But I've got a big dick, so that's about 15.
Big dick don't mean nothing.
It does. When it's in your
doesn't.
throat and you can't breathe and you got your fucking eye and your gag reflex going mad and you know the makeup's running down
Yo!
your face like a horror movie, then when you know that's girth. It's
No.
worth. I like when my dick's
Yo,
in my mouth
dude,
and I
this
look down,
guy
it's
is
like I'm
something
trying
else, bro.
because I don't see nothing. That's girth. Girth is worth.
dude, Shan must be wondering why did I even came here, bro? Like, seriously.
Why is he talking like
You got a pretty throat. Hasn't anybody
that?
told
Why are
you
you
that?
looking at my throat?
Because, long story.
He is so weird.
Have you had an Adam's apple before?
No.
Would you like one?
What do you mean?
You don't know what Adam's apple is?
Yeah. But I'm a
Okay.
female, so how am I going to get one?
Use your imagination.
Get one.
Red flag.
Why?
Let me just.
But what is it you want me to imagine?
Like picking your throat.
Oh!
Because you want to see the Adam's apple, innit?
This is what happens when you don't have sex. ladies and
Alright then.
I don't know,
something.
bro.
gentlemen. No.
Oh, for sake, I'm going. I need to leave there then.
Do you eat pussy?
No.
No. Well, I'm leaving as well then.
I think we're made for each other.
Do you think? I think it would be really awful. They all say they don't eat pussy. He definitely does.
You're a pessimist.
Why?
Because you don't see the optimism of our date right now.
Because you've just asked me to imagine you're in my throat. So do you have sex on the first date?
You know, like when England lost the World Cup, that's how devastated I'd be if I
Really?
didn't have sex on the first date.
You said that if you went on a first date and didn't get punched, it would feel like.
Oh God, please don't even say that.
Yo, this guy literally trolling, man. Honest to God. Worse, he said he'd actually watch all of the other show then.
Last, please.
What's your techniques to pull a woman?
I just make her laugh. I laugh off her panty then.
Really?
Yeah. Have a man never laugh off your panty then?
To be fair, you could banter me into bed if you were funny, but you're not, so...
So I'm
Oh!
Okay.
no banter here.
What's your type?
You.
No, what is your actual type?
You.
No, you can't do that. That's like the worst way
What?
to explain
You're just
your
trying to
type.
rub me out here. I'm trying to
I'm
give
just
you the
asking you, what's
most
your type?
compliments. You're my type. It's nice, smooth neck. Sorry, the neck.
Why does he keep looking at my throat for? Like I feel weird. Stop looking at my throat. Would you like lie to have sex? I feel like you would. You're the type.
Can I say something to you?
No, if it's about my neck, you can't.
Alright. I won't say anything.
Okay.
But every man likes to get pom pom. Pussy is designed to be lied to. It was designed. It's got that. That's why it's got that. That's why it's shaped like that.
Dude, you know what?
Pussy's shaped
It's
like
kind of
lies.
right now where like
So
most
you said it
guys
lies.
would
Do you
lie.
use being funny as a defense
Even
mechanism?
if it's a little bit.
No, I use it to get pussy.
But I don't think you get pussy.
I do.
You're definitely not funny enough to get pussy. I'm sorry.
Well, at least I can get the throat.
Whose throat? You ain't getting mine. Can you be romantic?
Obviously.
It's not obvious. What's the most romantic thing you've done?
Being here, sitting on a date with you in this nice, beautiful place.
That's you romantic.
That's your romantic. If I was going to be romantic, I would have taken you out to my Virgin's Jerk Centre place. Yeah? Get you a nice jerk. Yeah? Get you a nice jerk with some rice and peas. For bigger sponge. Pineapple punch. Smoke some herbs. And let's chill out.
The silence says enough.
Dude, that
I'm
is
in touch
like
with
saying
emotions.
facial expression,
Yes.
bro. Like, it kills
Yes, you
me,
do.
dude.
And just say,
You are.
yeah.
You keep passing everything off as a joke, and you're really not. You know, and that's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
No, and that's your opinion. And that's okay
But
as well.
that's what I'm witnessing
No,
tonight.
that's your opinion. And that's okay to me.
Do you think it's important that men cry?
I like crying.
Yeah.
A girl was giving me head one time when I was crying.
Stop referring everything back to sex. I'm
Well,
asking
you asked me, that's
is
the
it
time I was
important?
crying, when the girl was
but
giving me head.
But it's important.
I don't know if it was her teeth, but I was emotional.
Why does everything keep going back to sex? It's like this full circle and then sex. So you've got sons. I'm asking you,
Yeah.
because this is a serious question, like how you raise the next generation.
Yes.
Is it important for men to be in tune with their emotions?
You sound like you want a pussy hole.
No, I'm asking
not a pussy,
you. No, but
babes.
I'm asking you because
You
you're
sound like you
raising
want a pussy.
sons. You're raising men, so I'm
Bad
asking
man,
you.
I'm raising kings, I'm bad man.
So if your son cries, are you going to call him a pussy hole?
Dickhead.
How is he going to say to family man and call his child a dickhead for crying?
Dude, Cheyenne's
How
facial
is it?
expressions
I don't
are
know,
killing
something's
me right now,
happening.
bro.
It
Honest
feels
to
like
God,
when
that's
he
the way
hurts
she
himself,
just
how
look
you
like.
dealing with it?
Get up, pussy one. Come out my face, I'll stop the crying. I'll give you something to cry about. Fly kick you in your back, piece of shit. That's how I do it.
With toxic masculinity and things like that, you have to be able to nurture emotions and stuff.
And
Because
I
then
think-
you end up a bit
Sorry.
like you and having a defense mechanism, making everything a joke when it's not. Can I see your phone and read your DMs, please?
Do you know how incriminating that would be for my life?
No.
Are you stupid?
Well, I'm not telling no one.
It's like you'd ask to finger me in my batty hole in front of 40,000 people. That's the equivalent of answering me from my phone right now.
Why? Would you let me see it though?
Yeah, when
Dating?
when
Would
it's
you?
off.
After you've deleted everything?
No, when the battery's dead. That's the only time you can see my phone. You think she's gonna be looking through my phone? Not up, love,
Really?
110%.
Honest to
Just
God, I
laugh on
wonder
that.
what's this
If
guy's
I've asked you to
background.
pay the bills for
background.
me, then that's different.
Oh, you that guy that has like 2 phones?
Listen, we're trying to protect your feelings. If you see in my phone, you probably get into depression, and I'm trying to stop you from doing that.
So what are you doing to make me depressed?
I can't say.
What's on your phone?
Woohoo!
What's your favourite sex position or move?
It's called the quadrophenia.
What's that?
I'll get your legs, I'll put it around that leg, and then I'll get the other leg, put it around your waist, so your pum pum's open like this thing with and I actually put a candle on top of the pum pum,
What's going on, bro?
and the candle just go. It looks romantic. Do you want to try it? As a man, while you got a candle on top of your pum,
Oh, this guy is something else, man.
say, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you some experience.
I'm okay.
You're not okay, because you haven't had the candle in the wind. That's what it's-
Really don't feel no chemistry.
I don't want you to feel chemistry. I want you to feel my hood in your hole. I'm just gonna give you some hood. If you want to scientist and
Eee, this guy
scientist,
is.
I'm giving you a hood, yes sir. I don't deal with chemistry.
Dude, I don't know.
That
This
is
guy trying to be
word.
straightforward, but he's
This is what I'm saying. Going
different
back
from
to, like, this
Castillo.
meaningless sex thing,
Forward
like,
was more.
It's not meaningless because I'm gonna bust. You're gonna
More
bust.
classic.
How's
yeah,
that
way.
meaningless?
This guy is
I
like,
I just don't like the way people just date these days. Like,
Can I say something to you? I could sit here and be the best version of how you want me to be, and we could go out. We could do the most
yeah,
glorious
that's
stuff.
true. But you're
if I get in the
pretending.
bedroom and your pum pum big like Narnia, we've got a f***ing problem. I don't care how good you are. Your pussy big.
So I need to eliminate that. 'Cause I don't want to waste my time and months dating you, and then when I get in your pum pum, I can't. I'm there searching. I'm finding all lighters. I'm finding remotes in your pum pum. Let me know now, innit? As a Jamaican say, we don't want to buy puss in our bag.
Calm down.
Oh my God, it's just wait.
Why is he so hyped?
Have you spanked somebody before?
Why, do you like to be spanked?
Don't you think I need a spankings?
Man, this guy's weird, bro. I just think he's kind of weird, bro. I know that he said that.
Oh, you want pricks? See, you can't get dicks off your mind, innit?
I bet she lives in Cockfosters, isn't it? She just wants to be around cocks.
Come out of the gutter.
You definitely do not pull women. You definitely do not have sex with women. Your game
So-
is dead.
You're fascinated about my dick. You are, because you.
No, that's
when I
your
went to the
imagination, not mine.
You looked at me. I see you was looking at. Babe, it's all right. It's all right to be a hoe sometimes. I know sometimes you're probably around friends and think, you know what, it's not okay. But I can see it in your eyes. You got them hoish eyes.
What the whole wish
You say you're
eyes?
hoe, but you're
Whole
hoish.
eyes, bro. That's what he's
I've
saying.
got whole Ray
That's
vision.
crazy.
Yeah? I see it.
Look, I know he needs to see, but those glasses. Come on. Why are you wearing those glasses?
Looking purposes, and I can see your hoish eyes more better.
Do you wear them when you're having sex?
Dude, and I think this guy is trailing, bro. This guy is literally trolling Shine right now. Like,
I'll wear the
I don't know,
glasses.
man.
Which way is the way out?
What do you want to wear?
No,
Football?
but do you?
Dude,
Is it
Shane
your
wanna
impression,
dip.
Or do you have to take them off?
Shane
first?
want to leave.
I want to see what I'm having sex. I'll
You
keep
keep
them
them
on. Yeah.
No.
Listen, I'm from a strong Jamaican family. I'm from the hood. I've got street credibility.
Oh, so it's Jamaican, dude. Oh my
This is no
God.
one
Dude,
else, but it has to be on a weekend.
So you do then?
Weekends.
So yeah.
as I
So
said
you
before, I know
wanna
that
suck up?
Jamaica have
No,
a
'cause
strong
If
influence
I done it
in
in the weekdays,
the
then I'd be a
Caribbean
ball
culture,
cat.
have a strong
But
influence
'cause I
in
do it on
England.
the weekends.
So
I don't really
you cannot
qualify
hear a
to
lot
be a
of
ball cat, so I
Jamaican
can't say.
But
twang
you are
in the
a-
talking,
I'm
but
not
I like to
playing
know
weekends.
the background of each person. Because even if you hear them speaking like a Jamaican,
No.
they're probably not a Jamaican.
No.
But he seems to have
No.
Jamaican
See, that's what I'm saying.
family.
You're fucking some of your exes, you know.
Oh, never.
Ah,
No.
Don't.
No,
Don't
listen,
see.
just because you might
You've just been
be.
chatting shit all day.
I'm trying
I've been
shit.
real to you.
Have you heard yourself?
Have you heard yourself trying to be, oh, Miss Prim and Proper, my shit don't stink, your shit stinks.
Why is he so angry?
You want to call her out, bro?
No. Why not?
Why the what's wrong with you, Columbo?
I wouldn't even go through your phone. It's just nice to know.
That's
You
what
don't
you,
have to
you
hide.
want to know, you're too knowy. Yeah? You want to know everything, allow it.
Yeah, I do. But when it's a relationship, you're meant to be a partnership.
No.
Seriously, dude.
So-
This
Yeah,
guy
no.
actually
Not that I'm gonna
trolls,
go
bro.
for
I
it.
don't know.
It's not that
I don't know
I'm
if he
not
wants to
gonna-
troll
My
him.
number if you don't want to
But
go
if he's
for
not
it.
trolling,
I'm gonna
the
buy
way
condoms,
attitude
but
is, I don't know
Security, isn't it?
which one you want to be with
It's
him
for the
because
security.
it doesn't
Just
seem
know
like
it.
a
It's for
cool
security,
dude or
just
nothing
in
like that. It
case.
does seem like
Taking
like
piss out.
like
You're
an
taking the
annoying
piss out
person.
yourself.
He's giving me like an, even though he's kind of, he's not really funny, but
Yes or no?
he's
No.
grilling her.
So you're a loyal
but he's
person. I just can't
not
go for your
really
phone.
that.
I'm not gonna lie, I have a bitch's phone pictures, and I got you.
That's nice.
I've got a nice side to me, you know.
Are you loyal?
Yes, I am loyal. I've got one barber. That's it.
Yeah, you're loyal to your barber, not your woman.
Well, at least
They're
I'm
two
loyal for
different-
f***ing something, innit? I have to stand for f***ing something. What do you want from me? Loyal to my woman and my barber? That's f***ing too much headache right now. That's too much stress. Let me just be loyal to one, my barber. At least then I could f***ing probably one day move on to my girlfriend.
Dude, Cheyenne is like, probably want to fly the hell out of
Say no
there.
as well now.
Oh, you're taking the piss out of me.
Why am I taking the piss out of you?
I'm not. You know that you like a form or two up in your backyard. Please, please put me up my misery. Please, I'm in the name of Jesus.
Oh my God, this guy is not. I'm not gonna be really honest, bro. This guy's not really that funny, bro. I thought it was kind of funny, but it's not really that funny, bro. I can tell Cheyenne energy probably draining.
Hoisha.
Did you just call me Hoisha?
Yes.
Well, the answer's no.
You lying, Hoisha. You a lying, Hoisha.
Oh my God, this guy's corny, bro.
Hoisha. No, we're not there to do these little nicknames. Like, we're not on that level.
Oh, I am the pom-pom whisperer. I know hoes from 17 miles away. I could have my eyes closed. I think, there's a hole in there.
That's how good I am.
Dude, some of it, the pitch
I'm
line
a
are
whole
kind of
detective.
funny, but sometimes it's getting out there,
Yes.
Yeah. Do you?
I cook food, I can cook crack. I'm a cooker.
You say you cook crack.
You ask, can I cook in a crack? It needs to be cooked. I'm just saying, I've cooked. That's one of the dishes I can cook.
It all makes sense now. I'm connecting the dots now. Everything's starting to make sense.
She says a crackhead, man. Basically.
Do you? You pay?
I'll pay, babes.
Would you?
Of course I will.
But then do you expect sex?
Yeah, 100%! Maka. Yeah.
If you paid and I didn't want to have sex, how do we do this? How
You
are
see a
feeling?
county court judgment came through your door for my fucking money that I spent that fucking night before. I want back every penny. I'm taking it to court. I'll send bailiffs to your shit yard.
You broke.
What is broke?
You can be broke. There's two different kinds of brokes.
Yeah.
I think there's a broke where when you're hustling and you're going through a struggle to get there, that broke's okay. But if you're just a bum and broke, that's a
Yeah,
problem.
I'm the two of them.
You broke, just say.
I don't like putting labels on having no money. Have you got money?
Live comfortably.
There we go, so you can look after me while I get back on my feet. Have you ever sent a pom-pom selfie?
I've sent pictures to boyfriends.
Ah, you little freak! She's like, no.
To boyfriends.
I know. I do it.
Then she had probably want to dip right over. She just want to get up and move.
We didn't connect.
Man, this guy's cringy,
Oh, my
man.
home now.
He's
You're asking
he's kind
now,
of
my
cringy
home.
though. I'm not gonna lie.
You're rubbish.
I don't know if he's actually a comedian because
Are you an Essex girl?
funny enough, the
I am.
two
You
persons
look like
on the
that.
show
Shut
that said they
up.
were
You
a
look like one of those
comedian,
Shut up, type. Shut up.
I don't
they're not
sound
really
like
funny.
Because you're trying to be posh. You're not fucking
I'm trying to be
posh.
Or they're
what?
trying
You're trying to be
too hard
This
to
is
be
just how I
funny.
speak.
That's not how you speak.
It's not.
It's not.
Okay.
She could be on Geordie Shore even. She just looks like that proper TV reality star that gets on camera in the room and it's in the papers and she's got a boyfriend. She looks like one of those girls.
What would you do if I wanted to involve other people in our sex life?
Has to be bitches.
Why?
What kind of...
What if I wanted other men?
Then you... No.
No? Why?
That's what I'm trying to stop you from being this Hoisha that you so solely want to be.
Hold on. So how does it make me a hoe? So you want to have other women involved,
Yeah.
but I can't have other men because it would make me a hoe.
Obviously,
but you're
listen.
also a hoe then.
She likes too much men in her sex life. So I'm trying to be that guy to take her away from that life because she is about that life. So I'm trying to smooth down the holes. You understand? I'm trying to
Dude,
be that
how
guy.
old is this guy, bro? Like seriously.
One dick to a pum pum, yay. One dick to a pum pum, yay.
If I've 10 girls a day...
Oh my
I'm
god, dude.
class. I
The
get a medal.
cringe is
I get like...
over 9,000.
I go to the club, man,
Seriously.
like you, high-fiving. You got 10 men right now. You be Hoisha.
But why? Why is that?
I didn't make the rules. Don't,
But you're going
don't
along
hate
with
the
them.
player, baby. Hate the game.
But you're going along with them. You could just be like, actually, double standards.
It's not double standards. You are a hoe. Not you, but if you do.
It's like, oh, why was he smiling at you like that? Why was he looking? Genuinely,
Babe, let me tell you
true
this.
story, it happens.
I know why you're judging me. Let me tell you this. I always with 10s. Not because you're a 7.5. I always with 10s. You're the lowest I've been, to be fair.
This guy is definitely over-exaggerating how much pussy he gets. What would you do if I didn't
Damn.
want to sleep with you for the first 6 months of our relationship?
If I genuinely liked you, then I wouldn't make you sleep with me for the first 6 months. I would roll with it.
Do they know what the situation was with the judging and the 10 and stuff like that? I want to see
I mean, you can have a girl see already.
girls
But
without
that's
makeup.
possible.
Without makeup.
But I wouldn't pressure you for sex because I'd be getting sex. I just want to get sex from you.
What would you do if I'd slept with...
Funny enough, she agree with that one. That's
I
crazy
wouldn't
how
mind,
she
but if you
agree
gave
with
them
that
head,
one.
then-
She okay with you getting it from
Why?
someone who's not with
Because
her.
I don't want to be tasting my friend's dick in their mouth.
You're not going to taste their
I'm
dick,
going
are
to
you?
taste it.
No, you're not.
Subconsciously, I'm going to be thinking about it,
Well,
and
that's
I
a
don't
new
want to be.
problem.
I don't want to be having sex and thinking, does my mouth taste like my friend's dick? That's just too much information to handle. I just want to be with you, not thinking, does your mouth smell like my friend's dick? If you didn't give them head, I would still. But if you gave them head, you know what I mean?
Okay. What would you do if my ex was after you?
If he had good pussy, then I would forgive him. But if it's dead pussy, no, we're in beef. How can you fucking beef me for some big hole gal? You're rude. I'm not gonna beef you for that.
my God.
into that.
Dude, I can understand how
That
Shane was saying that she kind
you know-
of feel.
you know-
I've seen this dude is like. I
You're
don't
really
know.
rude about women.
Sue me. I don't like girls with big holes.
Surely, if every woman has a big vagina, your dick is not big. And that's actually a compliment because when a woman is more comfortable and relaxed, she's more wetter. So it's actually.
Oh
better.
my God. See, you're just trying to make stories for your big
I'm
hole
not.
now.
I'm fucking.
Oh, you're just trying
Oh,
to make
she's
stories.
cursed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're doing here. Is that what we're doing
This
here?
is
Trying
what
to make
you're doing.
trying to make stories for your big hole, yeah?
You got a big pussy.
Dude,
Look at it.
this is the first time I heard
No,
you Shane
personally,
curse
personally,
somebody.
I'm not wet.
You're a bucket.
Especially of you, I'm not.
There's not.
I can assure you.
Yeah, that's
I
your
can assure
story.
you.
Oh, babes, I just like you. No, it's like wireless, 410s.
Damn, this is
Is this
first.
what you wear to dates? By the way.
It's not.
So that's not what you wear. So
If he is not trolling,
Date went
this is
well.
kind of sad though. I'm not gonna lie.
I loved it. Can't wait to do another one if she wants to come back to me.
this date was awful.
If she's real to herself, I'm not trying to hide her.
Dude,
or
is she gonna
finesse,
give him a 1?
Then we'll do this.
I'm definitely not dating this guy again.
She'll take her wholeness to the grave. I like a loyal hoe like that.
No surprises, just a big disappointment.
She's brilliant, to be fair.
My advice is calm down, stop sexualizing me, and stop looking at my throat.
Well, I rate myself as a 10 anyway, but I would rate this date
Yo.
out of 10, 25 my general.
25 out of 10. That makes as much sense as me and him together.
I grilled her because I'm a griller. I dealt with her like a piece of stale-on steak. You understand? She dealt with me like she's trying to put 2 shrimps on the barbie. I'm not no shrimp.
Listen, this guy doesn't even deserve to be on that scoreboard, you know, so I'm going to give him a 2.
Wow, that's great. Dude, I should give my boy Castillo a 3. Man, we all know Castillo was rated more than that, bro. Like, really, bro. Give my boy Castillo a 3, bro, and give this guy a 2. I thought I was gonna get a freaking 1.